Hey y'all, I'm gonna do I got a pride song, like a specific pride song. It's even called With Pride. This song was, if you didn't know, there is a thing called the Out Music Awards, which are like the gay Grammys, and the song was nominated for Best Original Song. If the Grammys aren't gay enough, there are gayer Grammys out there. It was written a while back, so some of the lyrics I feel like slightly like they didn't age so well. Kind of like Republicans. I can come out, you can come too. We can be gay, gay as a unicorn that soars in the sky. We can go see the indigo girls. You wear the pants and I'll wear the pearls, and we can be closer to fine. If you like Prada or kicking in your Birks, we'll be like Tim Gunn and make it work. Oh, God made a rainbow for us all to see, a spectrum of people all underneath. So you be who you are inside, and I'll be your friend with pride. We'll go to marches and bars and parades, sing all the songs from all the Broadway plays. It's fun when you're out with the gays. And if you're straight, well, we can be friends, even with conservative Republicans. Like I said, I wrote this a really long time ago. Maybe not. Well, contraception happens naturally. We can't have a baby accidentally. Oh, God made a rainbow for us all to see, a spectrum of people all underneath. So you be who you are inside, and I'll be your friend, yeah. God made a rainbow for us all to see, a spectrum of people all underneath. So you